What HVAC problems are commonly missed during home inspections? The most commonly missed problems are weak airflow, hidden duct leaks, poor drainage, unsafe venting, and heating or cooling equipment that works during the inspection but is close to failing. Home inspectors often test whether the system turns on, but a short test may not reveal deeper problems. They may not measure airflow at each vent, so blocked filters, crushed ducts, or weak blower motors can go unnoticed. Leaky ducts can waste energy inside attics, crawl spaces, or walls while the room still feels somewhat comfortable. A clogged air conditioner drain can slowly cause water damage, mold, or a ceiling stain after the inspection ends. Inspectors may also miss refrigerant problems because the system can run without producing truly cold air. A furnace may appear normal while having a cracked heat exchanger, which can send dangerous gases into the home, so carbon monoxide testing and professional furnace checks matter. Poor insulation around ducts and missing pipe insulation can also make the system work harder and create condensation. Before buying, ask a licensed heating and cooling technician to measure temperature changes. Inspect accessible ducts, check electrical parts, examine drainage, and test combustion safety. One common mistake is assuming that a working system is a healthy system, so compare the temperature of the air entering and leaving the equipment and watch for unusual sounds. Another mistake is ignoring the age and repair history, because an older unit may operate today but need an expensive replacement soon. Request service records and a written remaining life opinion. People also overlook outdoor equipment, where blocked coils, poor clearance, rust, or damaged wiring can reduce performance. Keep plants, debris, and stored items away, and have the electrical disconnect checked by a professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.